Hello guys, hope everyone is safe. Today the SF team has brought to you some more abbreviations as promised in our earlier video. Before starting, if I mispronounce any word, apologies for that. Now, a pandemic is all around us, so let's start this one from that only. We all have heard that SARS-CoV-2 virus is behind the pandemic. But do you know that it is a virus of SARS family which have existed earlier also? And do you know that SARS here stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome? Yeah, its name depicts its work. To some level, you all might have heard of MBBS and PhDs or AIMS, both providing us a doctor before our names. But do you know that MBBS here stands for Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, and PhD stands for Doctor of Philosophy, and the AIMS stands for All India Institute for Medical Science? Well, we all have been to hospitals. Maybe not in the current scenario, but we all have. So you might have noticed words like OPD and ICU. Do you know that OPD here stands for Outpatient Department and ICU here stands for Intensive Care Unit? Well, enough with all this. I guess you all too got tired of that. So now let us take you to some other field and let it RIP. Sorry, rest in peace. Now, I assume every one of you might have heard of DSLR, and for those of you who haven't, please go back to your home planet. Now, do you know DSLR stands for Digital Single Lens Reflex? Let us talk about science and tech now. I assume you all might have heard something like LCD, LED, HDMI, STTP, WWW, CFL, STML, IMEI, HP, GIF, JPEG, VLC, URL, OMR. Well, hell of a list. So let me take it one by one. Starting with LCD, which stands for Liquid Crystal Display, LED, Light Emitting Diode, HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface, HTTP, Hypertrans Transfer Protocol, CFL, Compact Fluorescent Lamp, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, GIF, Graphic Interchange Format, JPEG, Joint Photographics Expert Group, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, OMR, Optical Mark Recognition, VLC, Video LAN Client, and at last WWW, which stands for World Wide Web, founded by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, and HP, expanded as Hewlett-Packard, named after its founder Bill Hewlett and David Packard. One more thing, we all do transactions many a time, sometimes by ATM or automated teller machine, and sometimes online with the help of our best friend the UPI or United Payment Interface. Also, some might say Bheem UPI, where Bheem is Bharat Interface for money. For some of us who have ever checked their PNR status, let me tell you, PNR here refers to the passenger's name reference. In these times, I have heard on different sources about the doctors called warriors. So let me tell you about some unheard warriors, which are there all the time but we merely notice, like the CISF or Central Industrial Security Force, or the CRPF, which is Central Reserve Police Force, who all do the same hard work as any other force. Well, we all might have heard of CID, CBI, CIA, FBI, RAW. Well, let me clear that out for you. CID here stands for Criminal Investigation Department, CBI stands for Crime Bureau of Investigation, CIA is the Central Intelligence Agency, FBI here refers to the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and RAW, which is also the Intelligence Agency of India, stands for Research and Analysis Wing. I don't know if you all remember, but there was a meme viral about we Indians on YouTube watching the digging on JCB. Well, on that, JCB stands for Joseph Cyril Bamford, named after its founder. Yes, both the things weird. We all know what KFC is, and do you know KFC here stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken? Well, sorry for my mispronunciation. Great place for food lovers. We all might have some sports fan watching the video, so let us take something for them also. Also, like you might have heard of ESPN and FIFA. Well, ESPN stands for Entertainment, Sports and Programming Network, and FIFA here stands for Federation International de Football Association. Well, we talked about entertainment. Related to that, have you heard TRP somewhere? Well, it refers to the television rating point. Now, the general part you people might have heard of, like MRF, CNG, LPG, PVC, RPM, BBC, AICTE, BPO, CEO, RTI, SIP. So again, one by one. MRF, Madras Rubber Factory, CNG, compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, RPM, revolutions per minute or rotations per minute, BBC, British Broadcast Channel, AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, BPO, Business Process Outsourcing, SIP or Mutual Fund, Systematic Investment Plan, and that's all for today. Hope you all liked it. If you have liked this video and learned something from it, please share and subscribe. If you need any improvement, please mention it in the comment section. Thank you and stay safe.